In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for content creation, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prep the model, pick the right speed versus depth setting, prime it with a strong brief, organize your plan in a clean workspace, refine your voice in line, and verify trends before exporting your final script. First, clear any old thread memory bias so you're not fighting yesterday's style or outdated facts. On your main dashboard, head to the bottom left corner and click your profile picture. Open Settings, select Personalization, and then Manage Memories. Take a quick moment to review what's saved and remove any unrelated brand rules or tone notes. This reset helps the AI produce fresh, on-brand angles instead of echoing past conversations. Next, choose the right engine tier for your task. At the top header of your chat window, use the model selection drop-down. Pick the instant tier for rapid brainstorming, long lists of title ideas, quick social captions, or simple spell checks. It's built for speed. Switch to the thinking tier when you need deeper work. Persuasive video scripts, multi-chapter articles, reverse-engineered hooks, or dense technical research. Matching the tier to your goal keeps quality and turnaround time in balance. Now, prime the model with a content brief instead of a vague prompt. Hold Shift plus Enter to write a clear multi-line instruction. For example, act as an elite content strategist, high retention scriptwriter, and master copywriter. I want to build a high-performance content plan for your platform and topic. Before you write any source indie scripts or outlines, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my target audience's core frustration, my unique content perspective, and my ideal video length so we can customize this roadmap perfectly. When the alignment questions appear, answer them one at a time to lock in context. Once the AI has your parameters, open your strategic production canvas. Type Canvas. Create a structured content production brief based on our data. Organize the roadmap into a clean table displaying target topic, unskippable video hook, 3 structural script milestones, and an engaging call to action, CTA. Your window will split, keeping the prompt panel on the left and opening a dedicated editor on the right, with your brief, visible, refined voice and pacing directly in the canvas. Highlight a sentence or row, click the small comment bubble, and give a precise edit like, "This hook sounds too corporate." Rewrite it to be more punchy and conversational with an unexpected controversial opener. Use the tone slider in the bottom right to quickly shift toward creative or descriptive or professional direct. Finally, validate 2026 trends and export. Click the globe icon to run a live web search and ask, "Search the web for the latest high-impact features or software changes introduced for my topic in mid-2026. Open sources to confirm URLs. When everything checks out, go to the Canvas header, choose Export/Download, and save as Word, Markdown, or PDF, ready for your teleprompter or publishing workflow. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on